If you're looking for a new battery for your car, truck, or SUV, I highly recommend these Wyze batteries. Now, these are sold on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Buy one of these off Amazon, they'll show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. The nice thing about buying them on Amazon, you don't have a core charge for your old battery. You just take your old battery down to your local Advanced Auto or AutoZone and they'll recycle it for you. Now don't worry about shipping. They ship in a heavy-duty cardboard box and they're lined with about 1-inch thick foam. So don't worry about them getting damaged during shipping, and also if you buy it on Amazon, it's going to be free shipping straight to your door. I bought a couple of this brand of batteries in the past and never had an issue with them. That's why I bought this third one. This is going in my Chevy Equinox. The battery in that is about 5 years old and it's starting to turn over fairly slow. With winter just right around the corner, this is a great opportunity to buy one of these batteries. Now they show up at your doorstep pre-charged. I'm going to put a voltmeter on it and see just how many volts are in it right now. Now of course you can stick them on your charger and it may charge maybe 30 minutes to bring it to full charge. You can take these out of the box, put them right in your vehicle, and you're good to go. Now in the past all the batteries have come fully charged, so this one's probably no exception. Let's put the voltmeter on it and see where we're at. So we're at 12.83 volts. Basically fully charged. About 13.2, 13.4 is going to be completely fully charged, but this is ready to go right in the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on the charger and just see how long it takes to charge it up anyway. I've got my battery tender hooked up. This is a 4.5 amp battery charger, and it automatically selected the right volts. It automatically selected AGM battery. So I'm just going to watch it here for a little while and see how long it takes to fully charge it. So now the battery's fully charged in only 13 minutes. I just wanted to show you this to prove that the batteries come basically fully charged out of the box and into your vehicle and ready to go. You go to your local auto parts store, say CarQuest, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto, or AutoZone, you're probably going to pay about $180 for a decent battery. The ones here on Amazon, and these are AGM batteries, they're not just lead acid, you can get them for around $139. Now if you go to your local Walmart, you can get this identical battery, AGM, same size, $179. So it's basically about $30 more to go to your local big box store. That's why I highly recommend these batteries off Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.